Thank you for purchasing the HPN Signature Series splitter stand. If you would like to start threading your shirts through your machine, we'll show you how to easily install this stand to any clamshell Signature Series or Signature Pro machine. To get started, let's cover what's inside the box. Alongside the HPN Signature Series splitter stand itself, included in the box are just 4 Allen screws and an Allen key. One precaution to take when installing this stand is to have a second person ready to assist you if necessary, as your machine will be lifted twice during the process. Keeping this in mind, let's begin by carefully flipping your machine to lay on its side. From here, you could remove the 4 rubber feet on the bottom of the machine, assuming they have been installed prior. Replacing these rubber feet will be the 4 Allen screws included with the stand. Let's fasten each one by hand halfway through. With these Allen screws in place, you can now place the splitter stand to your machine by lining up its mounting holes to the screws, first through the backside, then sliding it to the front screws. You may now fully fasten each screw with the Allen key, making sure that they are as tightly attached as possible. After doing this, simply flip the machine back to standing position, and now you're ready to thread your shirts with your Signature Series or Signature Pro machine. For any questions or further help with the Signature Series splitter stand, please call our MyExpert tech support team at 800-215-0894 or visit support.HeatPressNation.com.